Hello and welcome to Fields BMW, Lakeland. This is Nathan with your Genius team. And today we're sitting in the back of a 2019 X5 and we're looking at this little connector here. Now this is a USB TypeC plug that you can use to charge devices. So traditional USB, kind of rectangular and blocky. That's the TypeA connector. And a Type-C is a little more oval shaped, smaller, and you don't have to, you can plug it in either side. There is no upside or downside. Flip it over here, and it goes in. Now these charging ports are designed to charge newer digital products, whether it be, your tablets or iPads. You just need to make sure you get the correct cable, which Apple does make newer cables that have this USB Type-C plug on there with the lightning adapter on the other end instead of kind of that traditional, USB there. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, 863-816-1234, or come on by at 4285 Lakeland Park Drive here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida, just off I-4 at exit 33. We'll see you soon.